Hey, this is Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're going to take a look at just one part of working with the Inertial Labs RESEPI XT32 lidar system. And that part is going to be how to format your USB flash drive if you're going to bring in extras for your project dates. Stay tuned. So you've either purchased one of the RESEPI Hesai XT32 lidar systems, or you've rented one from us here at Atlantic Laser Scanning. It's going to come from us with one of the 256 USB flash drives. If you have purchased one of these units on your own, or would just like to have an extra couple of the flash drives to use for different projects, this is the process you're going to need to use in order to format them. It's not just something that you can put into your laptop, hit format, and you're going to end up with the right file setup for working with the LiDAR units. So this is just a really quick basic video to get you set up with the correct format process for the flash drive. So as you can see, we're actually in a mini tool partition app. It's called the Mini Tool Partition Wizard. This is just the free version. Really no need at this point to get into any higher up version of any of these apps. So we've already put the USB drive in, and it's listed down here as disk 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to right click on disk 3 and then go up to delete all partitions. So it will ask us if we want to do that. And now it says unallocated in the portion of the disk 3 that shows us what's actually on that disk. Now, it's not going to finalize this process until we go over to the apply button on the left. Once we apply, it's going to basically eliminate all the existing partitions that came with the flash drive, and then we're just going to move on. So now that we've eliminated the partitions, we're going to go ahead and set this flash drive up correctly for working with the LiDAR system. So we're going to right click on the area that indicates the inside or what the flash drive has formatted on it right now. And we're going to hit create. And once we do that, we're going to go to file system first, and we're going to do the FAT32. Now, at that point, we can change how much of the flash drive that we're going to be making available in this format. We'll go ahead and expand it as far as we can, and we can give it a name at this point. And hit OK. Now again, nothing happens to the drive until we hit apply. So if we're okay with that, we can see what we've done. We're on the right disk. Make sure you're on the right disk, because if you get into a partition wizard like this, you can grab a hold of one of your hard drives on your computer and really cause some damage. So we are on the actual flash drive, and we will hit apply. It makes us check again. Yes. And that's when it will create the partition. We're formatted correctly, and the drive is ready to be used by the Hesai LiDAR system. So now we've gone through and learned how to format our extra flash drives that we're going to be using with our Inertial Labs LiDAR unit. There's one last thing that we need to do so that these flash drives can be used in the RESEPI unit itself. And that is to take the bore site file that was found on the original flash drive. And we're going to copy that and put it onto the new flash drive, the extra flash drive. Another idea for sure that I recommend is to go ahead and make a copy of that bore site file and drop it on your computer, put it on your cloud, someplace where, in case you accidentally format the original flash drive that came with your system, you'll always have access to it. It's got some very important files on it. And again, the LiDAR system needs that in order to function properly. So again, all we need to do is copy that bore site file and just drop it onto our new flash drive. And now the flash drive is ready to go. At any time, we can just go ahead and install that into the Inertial Labs RESEPI XT32, and it is ready to go. Thank you for stopping by. Good luck with your LiDAR scanning, and let us know if there's anything that we can do to help your project.